Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you a 2019 Nautique G25. This particular G25, we have the white hull side with the Admiral blue bottom. As we come around to the back here, I wanted to point out that we did include the integrated steer assist with this model. So this is going to be able to go reverse in a straight line, spin you in a 360. It's a great add-on for this boat. Let's go on to the inside and take a look at the inside of the G25. The structure of the G25 for 2019 didn't change any. The biggest change is going to be the 2019 tower. This is the automatic tower. So there's a button right over here that brings the tower down, and it actually goes backward toward the back of the boat. Still got the nice board racks. This particular boat has the 8.8 JL audio speakers in it. With the G25, you also get some nice seating to recline back this way, and then also another nice seat that reclines back this way. Tons of storage underneath all these, sea-decked all the way through. The G25 is a massive boat, 19-person boat, fit tons of people in the bow. Everything is great in the G25.